The Senate Judiciary Committee will have a final chance this morning to question Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh. Yesterday's marathon confirmation hearing stretched late into the evening. The federal judge was pushed on issues ranging from executive power to abortion. Jan Crawford watched all 12 hours and joins us from inside the hearing room on Capitol Hill. So, Jan, after hour 10, did you think 12 and a half? Sorry.
Don't steal that half hour from her, Gayle.
It makes a difference. I'm thinking after hour 10, did you think this is going to be a long night?
Yeah. It was a long night, but you know what? It was a lot more civil in here yesterday than it was on that first rocky day of hearings. I mean, these Democratic senators grilled Kavanaugh on all the major issues, and he was careful not to talk about any cases that might come before him as a justice.
We are a system of constitutional precedent.
Like nominees before him, Judge Brett Kavanaugh declined to discuss cases he might decide as a justice.
I can't give assurances on a specific hypothetical.
Avoiding detailed answers on topics ranging from health care to affirmative action.
Do you believe having a diverse student body is a compelling government interest?
The Supreme Court has said so.
He said he understood the real-world consequences of the court's decisions, and on abortion, he tried to show compassion.
I understand the importance that people attach to the Roe v. Wade decision.
But he distanced himself from the president's promises on judicial nominees.
His litmus test for that list was that a justice that he'd nominate would have to automatically overturn Roe v. Wade, correct?
I'm not going to comment on what he had said, whatever he had said publicly.
He said it.
My position as a judge is that there's 45 years of precedent.
The 12-and-a-half-hour hearing featured dozens of interruptions and numerous questions by senators from both parties on the power of the presidency.
I worry that the president, the head of our executive branch, may be using executive power to advance personal political interests.
I don't think we want judges commenting on the latest political controversy, because that would ultimately lead the people to doubt whether we're independent.
Now, late last night, Senators Booker and Harris questioned Kavanaugh about issues of race. And he said he was proud of his record on diversity, but he knows the country has a lot more work to do on issues of race discrimination. Norah?
It was fascinating. Jan, thank you so much.